What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel if you're already a Josa, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Joslin or Nicole, and this is my channel where I post a bunch of things. And today I am posting a video about today, and I'm gonna be just so productive and dami kong gagawin. And I wasn't really supposed to vlog today, like this was not part of the plan, but then I realized like, oh shoot, I really need to stay motivated to get everything that I need to do today done. And I feel like since I kind of have committed to this vlog, it's gonna motivate me to kind of just push through with everything that I need to do. So first I'm going to the hardware store because I wanna do a DIY for my flat lay note-taking and journaling, because I've been having such a hard time just like filming it with this big stick behind my back. I'm just like really stiff when I do my notes or do my journaling, and I'm going to the hardware so that I can buy all the materials for it. And then I'm gonna have super nice study with me and journal with me videos, so that's exciting. I was supposed to go to the salon, I don't know, going to an event kasi later, so I kind of wanted it to be nice. I'm probably just gonna like fix myself on my own. After the hardware, I'm gonna come back home. I am gonna take a shower, get ready, and then I'm going to film a video. And then after that, I am going to get a little bit more ready once again, and then I'm going to Mega Mall for the Modest event. I'm probably gonna go. It's very interesting, and I heard that some of my friends are going to. And I made this whole list last night before I went to sleep. But I get to think about it more as compared to when I do it in the morning of the day, which is right now. I also get to like, what's the word? Make tansya, like what time I need to wake up and everything. So I like doing my checklists the night before. Okay, there's Muji at Shangri-La, so I'm probably gonna go there later. I really wanna buy this like organizer for all my pens and everything. All my brush pens are just in this drawer. And I just kind of want to organize them so that they're not kalat and all the brands are like different sections. Anyway, yeah, so that's the plan. So right now we are going to the hardware store. Hi guys, quick update. I went to my tita's house because I had to pick up a package that EIKA PH sent to me. It's a swimsuit shop. So, and then adabadala ko na yung PVC pipes and everything. And then I realized kasi na I still needed to like put a hole for the screw where I would put the camera. So I asked if there was someone working here, like si Kuya Carpintero na laging nandito. And like I said, this is wood scraps heaven. So then I realized, oh, I can ask for help. So imagine nadaya ko yung DIY. And I am kind of considering getting my hair washed and blow dried right now. Like hindi ko papakulot or anything. Probably just blow dry. But yeah, we'll see what I do. Oh my god, yes. So I just got home, and the noise you're hearing is from my dog. So I'm just going to set up my little project on the table and just show you guys. So here we go. goodness, it looks so good. I have always wanted to make one of these for myself, so I am so happy. Oh my gosh. Then this is where you put the camera. I can't believe I finally did it. Like, I've always wanted to, like, I always watched like YouTube videos of DIYs on how to do this, but I always found it so difficult to go to the hardware and kind of talk hardware supplies to explain to people what I want to happen, because usually the people who go there are the carpinteros, the contractors, you know, they already know what these things are called and everything and what they want to happen. So I'm really glad that I finally did it. I'm going to film a video for you guys, so, and then I have to rush and get a little bit more ready for the Modest event. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you guys is this package that EIKA PH sent me, and honestly they were so nice. They were so patient with me because I'm not very techy. I know I could shop online and everything, but like it was kind of hard for me. I knew what I wanted, but I was like confused. But yeah, they were very patient with me, and finally they sent me this box, and this is so extra, honestly. Like, look, oh my gosh, it's a dried flower. First, I got this one piece and has this ruffle detail, and super cute for the beach. I am a one-piece kind of girl, but recently I've been, you know, challenging myself to wear two-piece because it's not that I'm not comfortable. I think that I've just been very conscious kasi, and I'm trying to change that because I love wearing cute things, and I just feel like two-piece swimsuits are so cute, and I don't wanna hinder myself from being able to wear two-piece swimsuits. Oh, there's even this cute, what's this? The bag. Okay, and then I got this two-piece swimsuit in white. I guess it's in the size medium. Also the black one, it's like that. Thank you so much, EIKA PH. If you liked what you saw, then you can definitely check out the description box because I put the link to their shop there in the description box. And also I have a discount code if ever you wanna buy anything. That's Joslin 15. So Joslin 15, and you get 15% off until October 21. So make sure to check them out if you're looking to buy like a swimsuit. Hi guys, so right now I'm just really rushing because I am late. Because I don't know, this whole time I thought it was 3 p.m. because my org friends said na 3 p.m. like they're going at 3 p.m. But then I was texted last night na parang see you at 1 p.m. like from a desk. So I am just gonna rush real quick. Kind of sad because like yesterday I was excited to just really make myself up today, but I guess I am just gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine for this event, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so now my makeup's done. I just need to fix my bag, and then I'm out of here.
Estimated time in traffic, 10 minutes.
So I'm on my way now to Mega Mall. Hello! So, nakasalubong ko si
Chin, I'm Gia.
and nice dito sa Modest Camp.
Sumali ka sa girl gala.
Nice. Okay, so I almost didn't buy it, but I bought it. The Modest event was fun, I guess. Parang, hindi ko siya in-expect na it was gonna be that fun. I'm lost. I met Hazel King, I met, that's Stella. I was also, oh my god, I'm so lost. I also got to meet other YouTubers, and then I met a bunch of Josas, and then I met the Josa that is a YouTuber, so masaya. Like, I should go out more. Starting to realize that I'm not vlogging in school. I'm vlogging in a more public space, so that's wild. But that's okay. I don't care. I wanna talk to you guys kasi sabi sa akin na panay montage daw ako masyado. Like, I'm not talking anymore. So I'm gonna talk to you guys, and that's just an update. I bought drawers for my markers because I feel like since laging nakatago lang yung markers ko doon sa drawers ko, like, hindi ko nagagamit lahat. And so I've always like seen a bunch of stationery study YouTubers use this Muji drawers thing, and so I said I'm finally gonna get one for myself kasi wala akong mahanap online na mas mura. So sabi ko parang sige, I'm caving, I'm just gonna buy it. And even kanina sabi ko, hingin ko kaya as Christmas gift to. Pinicturean ko na, but like, alam mo yun, parang kaya ko naman ngayon. So, gift ko na lang yun sa sarili ko. Tapos gumagastos ako if bad mood ako, tapos nasa mall. So, this was a very well thought out buy, and I'm happy. Also, I just wanna share, don't wear yung parang flats na socks with rubber shoes. Kasi nagkakasunod. Oh my gosh, I'm vlogging.
It is a vlog.
Hi guys, so I just got home right now and it's currently like mga 5:30 right now, and I just changed into some house clothes kasi kailangan comfortable tayo, you know, keep moving. Yeah. Don't know what I'm talking about. I got some coffee and that's why I'm very hyper right now, but that's good because my room is literally so messy. I need to clean this para pag nag-aral ako mamaya, I will be calm and zen. My room is somewhat clean, I guess. I mean, there's still kalat, but I think I can work with this. Tinamad. No, but my main project was my desk, and I think that I'm really getting somewhere with it. I love this so much. I'm so happy. Like, tonight, I feel like I'm gonna study just so I can do a study with me using this. Or maybe I'll journal because I have like 3 weeks of backlog with my journaling, like my picture journal. So I think maybe I'll do that first because I don't really need to study for anything urgent right now. We just have some readings, but it's not really like read it and write something about it. It's just like more of educational, just so you know kind of readings. So I'll probably do some journaling first. I guess. Pero, I don't know. Sige. Another one. But yeah, I still have a bunch of Tombow brush pens. I'm probably gonna have to buy like one whole thing just for my Tombow brush pens. But at least all the other markers that I haven't been using are organized and accessible now to me. So yeah, I decided to just use the Zig, this last one for my Zig pens. But I don't know, I have a lot of different kinds. So that's kind of, you know, sad and funny at the same time. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so ang dami ko pa talagang like brush pens na I don't have a home in my drawers. I'm filming right now because I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that Modest got me. I got all-nighters, regulars, carefree liners, clean and clear, and then oil control gel. So thank you to Modest. There were a lot of people there, but you know, since everyone was talking about having your period, menstruation, like I just look around because it's not something that a lot of people talk about, and I feel like, you know, we should be more open to talking about it. You know, it's real, it happens. Even like in general, in life, like if you talk about something, that's when you kind of open your mind to ways that you can like fix problems. Like even with, you know, the state of our country, we should always talk about it, because when we talk about the situation, that's when we can come up with ideas to improve our country, to improve, you know, society, to improve the mindset of people. And that's why, like, for me, I'm not really afraid to talk about it.
Did you feel low-key na?
No?
Can you feel it, please?
Okay. Oh, sorry, I still heard like your voice in my head from this morning na sabi mo, kumain na yan na. Okay. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. So sorry.
I got a feeling that we got a chemistry. Give me what's on your mind. Telling me everything, but it ain't happening. Wish I could read your vibe.